Welcome to LibreOffice. In this video, I will explain you some basics of Adobe InDesign. Here I will show you how to create new document, what is margin, bleed, column and facing pages in Adobe InDesign. So let's start without wasting time. You can see here I have already opened Adobe InDesign. Firstly, we will know about creating new documents. So there are three ways creating new document in Adobe InDesign. Number 1, go on File and Document. Number 2, click on Create New. Number 3, press Ctrl N on keyboard. Now let's know some important part with live example that you must know if you are going to work in Adobe InDesign. Number 1, margin. Margin is the blank space around the content on a page, separating the text or image from the edge. Bleed. Bleed area is the extra space around the document's edge to ensure not come white spaces on the edge when we trimmed after printing. Column. Column on the page is a vertical section where text or other content is arranged, often used in newspaper, magazine and newsletter. Facing pages. Facing pages are two pages in a book or magazine that are designed to be viewed together, such as a two-page split. Hope you understand about margin, bleed, column, facing pages as well as creating new documents in Adobe InDesign.
Subscribe me for deep graphic design theory. Thank you.